And here you see a baked ham with pineapple that's easy to make, and you can make it on Thanksgiving Day, Christmas, or New Year's Eve. It's a nice dinner. You can substitute turkey with this, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. So here I have a ready to eat shank half ham. This one's previously cooked, so try to use this kind. I already cut the pineapple and I blended two of them to get the juice that I'm gonna add to it. So now I'm gonna place it on the pan and put it in the oven. So I'm gonna add the pineapple juice, pour it all over. Once it cooks, it will make it sweeter. You can also add sugar. I didn't add sugar. I wanna make it as natural as possible. Now I'm gonna place the pineapple on top, that way when the juices come down it goes over them. You can hold them with sticks like this. So we're gonna preheat it at 375 and we're gonna place it in the oven. I'm gonna do 30 minutes. So after the 30 minutes, it doesn't look as good as I wanted, so I poured some of the juice on top, that way it doesn't dry up, and I'm gonna do it for another 30 minutes. I'm also gonna boil some green beans. I'm gonna add the water. We're gonna also do some sweet corn. And it's been an hour now. We're gonna check and see if it's ready. Then now it's ready, and we're gonna bring it out and give it a try. And here I have some buns. I cut them in half and I'm gonna place them in the oven with a little butter. And I'm gonna add a little garlic powder to some. So we're gonna do the buns at 375 also. This we're gonna leave on for very little time. As soon as the butter is melted, they're ready. My friends, this smells so good. The pineapple smells very good. So I'm gonna cut a piece. Let's see. Now we're gonna the corn. And the green beans. Let's Let's see if they're ready. Yes, I did the 5 minutes regular and then 2 minutes broil on top. And that's how they look, so they're ready. And now we're gonna try the baked ham with pineapple. I'm gonna have it with some, we call it salsa macha. It's a chili oil, and I made it with New Mexico peppers, gives it a special flavor. I already have the recipe. I'm gonna leave a link to it. And I'm also gonna have it with some pico de gallo. This is special for most dishes. It goes well with. If you haven't made it, try it. You're gonna love it. Add some salsa. My friends, this is delicious. It's a very good combination with the pineapple. Now let's try a little pico de gallo. Just as I said, it goes well with a lot of dishes. This pico de gallo works really good too with ham.